Good morning, everyone. My name is Advocate Sagar Nooniwal. I'm the founder of Law Bider. I'm a practicing advocate in the High Court of Delhi and the District of Gurugram. So today I'm gonna talk to you guys about a problem that I see is very much growing in our Indian society. That is the mistreatment of the senior citizens and the parents, especially after they have gifted all their assets and property to their children or their grandchildren. So not many people still do know about it, that there is a relief in regarding that. In 2007, the government of India had passed the Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act, and it has been ratified in 2022. So now any of the senior citizens who are being mistreated by their children or their grandchildren, especially after they have gifted all their property or assets to them, can now get that property back. So let me give you a brief idea in what order and how and what a senior citizen means. So according to this act, a senior citizen is a person who has attained the age of 60 years or above. So now in any terms, you're not being taken care of, whether it's your maintenance of your, like your health, your residence, your food, your clothing, your recreation, your medical expenses, any of the things that you are unable to take care of by yourself or through your pension or anything, and you're being mistreated and not all these things are not being taken care of by your children or your grandchildren. Now you can take your property back from them. So and now there is a change in this particular scenario. You might be thinking that only after 60 years, if you have gifted that property, you can take it back. No, that is not the scenario. You can even take that property back if you had gifted that property to your children or grandchildren before you attained the age of 60. You can apply after you have attained the age of 60. Now, the eligibility is via Section 23 of this Act. Okay, and how you need to revoke that gift transfer deed that you have done is that you can go through the maintenance tribunal. Each state has a maintenance tribunal. Each state has different rules regarding how you should proceed and rules regarding how the maintenance tribunal should function. So the process is very easy. And the best part about this is that you do not even need a lawyer to go through the maintenance tribunal. It is when your matter is in the High Court, that is when you mandatorily might need a lawyer. Now, so how to apply? You can go to any maintenance tribunal, give an application and apply for the revocation of the gift transfer deed that you have. A notice will be served to the opposite party, and if the opposite party fails to reply to that notice, the decision would be made ex parte in your favor and on the basis of your evidence. Now, like I said, every state has different rules. So according to Delhi Rules 2017, now you can apply before a district collector or the district magistrate. Now there are certain 2 or 3 key points I want you to know about this particular act. If a senior citizen is unable to apply by himself, he can apply through a voluntary association registered under the Societies Act. And the Supreme Court has also said that any of the gift deed that was executed would be void if the senior citizen is not taken care of. So it is a huge relief for senior citizens. And with that being said, that said transfer deed would be treated as a fraud, undue influence or a coercion, and therefore be totally void. Now, according to Section 25 of this Act, it is a cognizable and a bailable offense